Hi everyone, David here. I am the content manager at Be More Social, and today we're going to be talking about social listening. What is it? How can it help you and your business? And how do we use it on these platforms? Okay, social listening. So social listening is a term that we use here at Be More Social, which basically means outreach. Okay, outreaching to potential customers who may be interested in your product or service. Now, with different platforms, there's different ways of doing it. And we're gonna kind of go through a couple of different options today, just to show you exactly how you can do it for yourself. So on these platforms, you can directly target certain locations or specific people to kind of market to and talk to them about your business. And I'm going to run you through a quick demonstration on Instagram right now. Okay, so I'm on Instagram right now as Be More Social, okay? And on the bottom left-hand corner, there's a little magnifying glass. You just need to tap that, okay, which is basically your search, okay? So it allows you to search for different businesses and people. So we're going to search for a location that maybe is near you or your business. For example, if we go for our office, so that's Cavendish Court in Doncaster, we're going to search for that. Okay, so there it is, Cavendish Court, South Parade, Doncaster. Now this is then going to populate with the top posts about that location in Doncaster. Even better, you can go to recent posts. So you tap on recent and it will populate you with the recent posts in this area. Now obviously Cavendish Court, there's not a lot of stuff that we want to engage with because it's not, there's better places and other places to do that really for us. But that just gives you an example. Now once you've done that, so say for example we like this post, we're going to go and engage with that because that looks like a potential prospect. Okay, so we're going to like that and then we're going to comment. Now this is where the social listening and outreach comes in. So you're going to put a comment, so they're talking about a giveaway, £150 birthday giveaway. All you've got to do is share and make sure you're following their Facebook and Instagram page. So I'm going to comment something like, I won't actually post this, but this is just an example for you guys. I'm going to comment something like, this sounds great, a truly magnificent gift, and the winner will be very lucky. Be sure to let us know if we can help promote your next campaign. Okay, I'm not going to post it, but that is an example of outreaching to a potential prospect. Because one, you're showing them your digital business card, basically. You've liked their post, so they're going to get a notification to saying Be More Social has liked this, and then you're also commenting that, which will pop up another notification. Be More Social has commented on this. They're going to read that comment and probably like it, okay, because we've complimented them, but then we've also said, let us know if you need help in your next campaign. Now that's the key, because they're going to be like, okay, well, what do you guys do? Yeah, so then they're going to go over to our Be More Social profile, which is here. So this is our Be More Social Instagram, and they're going to find out that we are a social media consultancy. And that hopefully will maybe trigger them to go to the website and look at maybe how we can help them. So that's a quick example on Instagram of a form of social listening. Okay, there's a couple of different other styles as well in terms of sharing people's posts and adding them to your story as well. But now what we're going to do is dive over to Twitter and just show you a quick, it's very similar, okay, it's very, very similar in terms of how you can outreach on Twitter, but I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so now I'm on Twitter on my phone and I've logged into Rick's account, okay? Very similar to Instagram, there's a magnifying glass which is your search, so that's where you want to go. And this is obviously populating with different things that Twitter thinks are going to be beneficial to you. So for you, there's trending, there's news, sports, entertainment and stuff up the top here. And all you need to do is search. Okay, this is where you can search for people, topics, or keywords. Yeah, we're going to put something in there that's of interest. So let's say business owners. I'm just going to search for business owners. Okay, now this isn't great. It's not going to give me a lot of stuff. So what I want to focus down on is like people. So I'm clicking on people and then I'm seeing what comes up with business owners. Okay, so it's going to filter out anybody that's got business owner in their bio. Okay, potentially that's going to be, so here we've got an example: aspiring doc, business owner, Lee, entrepreneur, life coach, fashion and marketing, sales. So let's have a look at their profile. Okay, and they're based in Philadelphia, PA, because they've added their location to their bio. So I know that they're a business owner in America. That's not ideal, okay, because we're in the UK, but that gives you an idea, okay? So what you want to do with Twitter is start building up a community and a network. So you can follow them, you can express an interest in their product or service, and that's also reaching out your digital footprint. Okay guys, so I hope that has helped you a little bit and you've got a basic understanding now of what social listening is and how to use it for your business. Okay, you can go into detail with these on other platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn, even Snapchat, TikTok. There's all these different platforms that you can actually do social listening on, but I've just given you a couple of examples for Instagram and Twitter there. Now, if you do want to find out more about how to do social listening on the other platforms, just let us know. I can do another video like this, or speak to your digital guru and they'll be able to show you. Hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.